Sam Bellamio, followed by Alex Zimmerman.
Yep. My name is Sam Bellamio, and I'm here with Stand Up America. And there's a lot of issues I want to talk about. But first, I'd like to give everyone a round of applause. This is amazing. These are citizens that took time off of work, off their busy schedule, that came in and spoke to you. So I encourage you all to do this next week, or next 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, you hold these meetings, and keep the pressure on them. These are the issues that we are concerned with. The citizen's business is your business. And so there's a lot of concerns that we have as citizens that you're not addressing. But, you know, with propaganda like CenturyLink's goals for the city of Seattle, is this CenturyLink, or, yeah, CenturyLink City, or is it the citizens' goals? Like, I don't understand who's in charge of your agenda. Is it the citizens, or is it us? The other concern is the new Jim Crow law era that we have a problem with. People are incarcerated, 2.5 million people in prison. This is a systematic problem. And then when people get out, they have to go back into crime because they can't get into legal work because they're put back into the system that put them incarcerated in the first place, which makes them get incarcerated again and again and again.
But criminal is you.
You are the ones that are creating the laws that put them in prison. You are the ones that are not standing up for us. How come it took so long to get marijuana legal? It's insane to me. In Seattle, people smoke pot all the time. You guys did a good job of doing it at the city, but you didn't fight at King County level. You didn't fight at the state level. We need you to stand up. You know, the voices, the squeaky wheels are not existent. On a 9-panel member council, you guys don't squeak. There's no squeak. You know, at King County, they have meetings where they don't allow people to speak at the council meetings at all.
For 40 years.
For 40 years. We came to you and said, stand up for the 600,000 people that you represent and demand that King County give us our civil right to have a governmental redress of grievance in their committees. You can't stand up for that. What small thing can you stand up? Can you hold this meeting and all meetings after business hours? Everyone's at work right now between the hours of 9 and 5 o'clock, and you hold your meetings at 9 and 2 p.m. That makes no sense. Whose business are you here for except for CenturyLink, who can get the time off because they own the business? But the people who work for them can't come in. We're slaves in the system. If you don't stand up for us, we're fucked.
My name is Alex Zimmerman, and Sam Bellamio go for council position. So situation right now very simple. Guys, you stay in here for many years, and right now you all go for election. My question very simple. Is something changed 4 years right now or 40 years before? Nothing changed. We have a government who more dangerous than German Nazi or Soviet communist, with Gestapo, KGB principle. What is minority in prison is nothing unusual. It's cheap, it's good, and good for people who own prisoners. So I think this approximately $20 billion business. I'm a criminal too right now, because I started talking against King Country Council, who crook by definition. We talked with you about this for many years. Why King Country Council not open to everybody like every city have? Are you protect us? No. Are you protect 600,000 people? No. And you go for another election? Be ashamed, go home. You did nothing for the last 4 years. You nothing did for 4 years. You never have a public, what is public meeting?
Public hearings, yeah.
Public meeting for years. We're talking about this many times. For make a changes, you need to speak to people every quarter. Every quarter, every council supposed to be doing this. It's only one way for make a changes. Look how many people, exactly, look how many people come. And everybody have opinion. It's 600,000 and back. Open door to everybody. Why you acting like a crooks? When you stop and acting like a degenerate idiot? When it's stopping? It's very simple. Open door in talking. I talking, you talking, where is a problem? It's a regular business. You cannot ever afford normal, regular business like every businesses have, like every civilized corporation have. Every quarter, we need to sit down together and talking about problem, what is we have, and how we can fix it problem. Too many smart people
Thank
around.
you, Mr. Zimmerman. Your time is
No,
up.
stop this.
Your time
Stop
is up,
this.
sir.
Start
Devin-
stopping this.
Devon Evans, followed by Hakeem.